What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Yes, you guys, I know it's 9:13 p.m. and I normally make videos in the middle of the day, but today I have some very exciting charts to be sharing with you about XLM and talking a little bit about Dogecoin as well. And I also am really hyped about this pattern that I'm showing you. So if you guys are new to cryptocurrency, or maybe you're not experienced with Hopium and the Hopium game that we play here on crypto Twitter and YouTube. But overall, you guys, this video is going to be full of Hopium. So warning right now, if you guys are new to Hopium, then you could definitely be overpowered with Hopium in this video. So it goes without saying that this pump on Dogecoin is completely incredible. I mean, if you really want to get Dallin from meditating to making a YouTube video, then pumping Dogecoin is definitely one way to do it. And as you guys can see, Dogecoin has just went completely parabolic over the last little while, as a lot of people have been FOMOing into this market. You guys, this has been extremely parabolic, so I do want you guys to be aware that corrections are very likely at some point. I mean, this could easily be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up right here in this shorter time frame, kind of this wave set from here on out. And if that's the case, then we could expect a 4 wave to be forming in Dogecoin, or even an ABC correction from a bigger picture 5 wave, which would be an alternative count similar to this. So you guys, Dogecoin is definitely not something that I'm jumping the gun and putting my money into right now. I think that's kind of ridiculous. But all this money has to go somewhere. I mean, we pumped ridiculously over the last little while in the short term. If we look at the price range from this low out, you guys can see that it's up over 900% from these lows, which is really just incredible, you guys. And just the start too, we're going to see a lot of different coins and projects do moves similar to this in cryptocurrency as we move into alt season. And one of the projects that I'm actually watching right now, and one that I personally hold and I'm really excited about, is XLM. And XLM is presenting a very interesting kind of fractal comparison here between Dogecoin and XLM. If we look at this right here in Dogecoin previous to the pump that we saw, and I know that there was a large trading group behind this pump, the same people that were pumping GameStop and everybody coordinating on Reddit. Yes, I'm well aware of all of these things, but I also like to trade markets because of fractal analysis, and that's actually the primary reason that I do trade these markets. And what we're seeing here with XLM is a mirroring of the same fractal analysis that we see with Dogecoin. So I actually expect XLM to push higher here in the short term, and it could go quite parabolic. Now, I'm not going to say exactly how parabolic it can go. It could be less parabolic than Dogecoin. It could be equally as parabolic as Dogecoin. It could be more parabolic as Dogecoin, but I definitely expect it to go parabolic here. And so that's a really, really good opportunity, and one that I just felt like I couldn't fall asleep without making you guys aware of, and the reason I'm recording this video right now. Now, if we're looking at percentage gains, you guys, if it does anything like what Dogecoin did, then we can expect a new all-time high in XLM. And if it does a new all-time high, then it's going to do, 800, 900, 700, 1,000%, anywhere in that range, similar percentage gains as Dogecoin. So it would actually look very parabolic in a similar way as Dogecoin. So I definitely think Stellar is actually one of the next big projects to take off right now. I also hold a very large position on XRP, and I know it's very controversial, but I actually expect XRP to do very well and see one of these parabolic breakouts as well. But XRP is one that I actually expect to do a similar move as Stellar Lumens. And I'm really not going to get into all of the details as to why that is, because I've made other videos on that in the past. But you guys, right now, I just have to make this very clear and aware for you guys that XLM and Stellar Lumens is looking extremely bullish this evening, and I do expect price action to proceed higher. I do actually expect Bitcoin price action to proceed higher. I expect Ethereum price action to proceed higher. I think that most of the movement that we're actually seeing here in the short term when it comes to cryptocurrency is really just consolidation and accumulation as we're moving into another huge wave up. So this whole move down right here where everybody's getting really scared, just like how Dogecoin made a consolidation pattern right here and then broke up and out. This is the same kind of consolidation. It actually looks really similar even to Dogecoin's consolidation that we're seeing here in Bitcoin. So I expect Bitcoin to go parabolic as well, which is really just going to drive everything even higher. So I'm really bullish on the market as a whole right now. I'm excited to be holding positions. I'm excited about XLM. I'm really happy about the Dogecoin pump that we saw. Huge shout out to everybody that has been following my channel that owns Dogecoin. And a lot of people are kind of mad at Dogecoin right now because Dogecoin is pumping, and then other coins, they feel like Dogecoin is stealing the value from all these other coins. And that does happen when it FOMOs, like when people FOMO really, really hard like this. We do have some market cap leaving other coins and going into Dogecoin, but I assure you that that's just dumb money doing that, and it's not actually really something to be concerned with, because Ethereum, for example, is extremely bullish right now in the big picture, and I expect Ethereum to actually push quite a bit higher here out of this channel. And when it does that, it's going to just take all of that money that people were FOMO buying into Dogecoin, and they're going to panic sell out of their Dogecoin positions and start FOMOing into Ethereum. So it's the same thing. The money gets moved around. So when we see Dogecoin exploding like this, it's actually a good thing for the rest of the market. It's actually a strong sign that altcoins are really, really bullish right now. It really reminds me a lot of January of 2017 when altcoins were starting to break out and following Bitcoin as Bitcoin was breaking its all-time high. We're really seeing the same kind of deja vu in the market right now as we saw back then. Huge shout out to everybody that's in the Discord group, VIP members. Join that group. Links are in the description below. Shoot me an email if you want to join the VIP group. And huge shout out to all the subscribers. I passed over 35,000 subscribers, so that is really exciting, you guys. And I'm just going to keep making videos as things are exciting here. I really, really love watching the markets prime up like this. I look forward to seeing you guys in future updates. And as always, stay profitable out there.